Before we dive headlong into our invasive species adventure, I wanted to take a few moments to do something that is everyone's favorite thing, vocabulary review. Hello, Watershed folks and friends. Thanks for joining me for another installment of Mondays with Mori. The first word we already went over in the previous video, which is invasive species, species that have been introduced by humans to a novel ecosystem and have an oversized impact on that ecosystem. That is in contrast to non-native species, which similarly have been introduced to a novel ecosystem by humans, but do not spread out of control and have this catastrophic, often, impact on ecosystems. So a lot of food crops, decorative flowers, things like that are non-native, but they're not invasive. That is in contrast to native species, or often we hear the word endemic, which means species that are still located where they have evolved and where they are continuing to evolve. Endemic especially refers to, a very unique place where you can find that species. The last word I want to talk about is weedy. That weedy species can actually be either native or non-native, but they have this characteristic of being able to take over an ecosystem, to take advantage of ecological contexts and kind of take over and really change ecological function under certain conditions. So these are a few words that I invite you to keep in mind as we keep exploring this topic over the next few videos. As always, let me know your questions or comments and we'll keep the conversation going. See you around the watershed.